Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you love juicing like I do, then you're always looking for the best way to store your fresh juice. Well, these glass jars from OAMCEG have been perfect for our household. We love juicing, but we want to make sure that it's in a container that keeps it nice, airtight, and fresh. With these glass jars, our juice is just as fresh the next day than the day that we juiced it. What I really love about these is they are also labeled on the outside, so I can see exactly how much I want to put into each and every one of my jars. Now this set comes with 8 16-ounce jars, as well as 2 straws and a nice little brush cleaner, so it has everything we needed. I really love that these have a nice wide opening up top because it makes it really easy for me to pour in the juice and I'm not spilling it all over the place. I also like that wide mouth opening because it makes it easy to drink the juice too. I can drink it straight from this container. I don't have to transfer it anywhere else. These glass jars are dishwasher safe, they're microwave safe, they're freezable. They literally are perfect for any kitchen. I don't just use these for my juice either. I love to use them for my iced coffees as well, so it's a really great go-to bottle. When my husband and I are juicing, we typically like to batch juice. So having 8 of these jars to be able to store our juice and know that it's staying nice and fresh is so convenient for us. So if you're looking for a nice quality and super functional jar to store your juices or other beverages in your home, I would highly suggest checking out these awesome 16-ounce jars from OAMCEG. And that's just my point of view.